guys, I do hope you enjoy this lookbook. It's going to be the final one for the year, and I hope you like the outfits. Of course, I'm going to link everything in the description box so you can go and do some shopping and maybe, you know, look good, look fly for the autumn season. You can transition some of these pieces also into winter, you know, just layer up, put something underneath like a tank top, or you can also put like a really heavy jacket or coat on just to make it a little bit warmer. So I do hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, turn your notifications on so you don't miss a video from me, of course, and leave me a comment. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.
Go losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, be alone. Under your spotlight, self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.